at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here, what's your name?
My name is Carrie.
So I'm here with Carrie. And Carrie, could you introduce your company to me?
So we're both factory and trading company. So we're basically in Shantou Chenghai. Yes. So as everybody knows, like Shanghai was a very big place for producing toys. There's so many toys, factory and company as well. Yes.
Okay. And so about your factory, could you tell me more information? How big is the factory that you have?
So at the moment we have two factories.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
So we're doing the brick guns and the bubble items.
Okay.
Yes. And like our factory, I think is around like covers an area about like 4,000 square meters, and at the moment we have like more than 50 employees.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. But if the like sometimes the production get into the peak season, we'll also like hire more or adding more, staff, workers to help us.
Expand would be great.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And so with your factories, like what certifications do you have when you're exporting for?
Now we have ESCI, factory audited.
Wow.
And also we have like EN71, ASTN, so all the European or USA requested certificates or test report, we all have them.
It's very important. It's safety and fun is the biggest priority.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. I'll have to ask you, so where is your main market in the world then now?
At the moment, our main markets are Europe and USA and South America.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So you have the whole like different places. It's very good.
Yes.
And so I have to ask, what's your big new product that we're going to see next year?
Okay. So I would say these are our main products, but this year I really want to recommend our football.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because this is our new collection this year.
Wow.
We just like we wanted, because I think the World Cup, the European Cups, coming, so we wanted to. I would like to recommend this collection.
If there's anything that like anywhere in the world will love, it's a football. Like,
yes, everybody loves football. Everybody loves sports.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so your other products, you have many products here. Like, what would be your top sellers?
Top sellers? I would say the bubbles.
Oh yeah.
Yes, the bubbles.
Everybody loves bubbles.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think not only like children, but sometimes like teenagers, all the adults. We all love them.
You have many different bubble like activities. So there's like a bubble guns, is it? And bubble fighters. Is that actually like little Frankenstein?
Yes.
So you have many different designs and many different like implementations of the bubbles as well.
Yes.
That's very cool. That's like a wide range for fun for anyone if they want it.
Yes.
Okay, so I even see on this wall that you have all these different designs of the bubble toys. So what can you see here?
So these are all our design, and we also accept customized design. So if the customer they want to do ODM, we can also accept it. Even with like small order quantity, we can also do it.
Wow. So even for their own like what ideas they might have, they can also help.
Yes, they can tell us, and we also have design team to help customers to do the design. So any idea, just let us know.
It's amazing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And so if I wanted to like look into getting this product for myself or in my country, where could I contact you?
So I think everybody can scan our QR code here. We have our TikTok.
Oh, perfect.
Yes. So like we have like 3 TikTok at the moment, for football, breakdance, and bubble.
Very cool. Okay, so that's very good. And thank you for talking to me. Very excited.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.